Welcome to Games and Cubes and thank you for watching. Let's dive into how to play Domino. In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can set up a domino game in 3 simple steps. The first step, of course, is setting up the game. After that I'm going to explain to you how to play dominoes, and we're also going to include all the official rules of dominoes. And finally, how you can count the scores in the game. Put all the stones on the table face down and mix them up. Before you start dividing the stones, each player picks a stone from the table and the player with the highest double can start the game. If there is no highest double, the player with most spots can start the game. With 2 players, each player gets 7 stones. You keep the stones for yourself and make sure your opponent does not see the spots on your stones. Do you play with 3 players? Each player gets 6 stones. With 4 players, the player gets 5 stones. The stones that are left are called the boneyard. Stones are called bones. You can put these aside, and if you're not able to connect a stone from your own stones, you can draw a stone from the boneyard. Now you can finally start the game. The first player can just pick a stone and put it open in the middle of the table. This is the starting stone of the game. You can also choose to use the stone that you've drawn at the first time when you started the game. The next player can connect the stone to the one on the table. You can connect your stone on every side of the domino stake. Doubles can be connected different from normal stones. You can attach them halfway. Blank or zero stones only connect to other blanks. And if you are not able to connect the stone, you can draw one from the boneyard. If you draw a stone that you can connect directly from the boneyard, you may connect it in the same turn. If there are no stones in the boneyard and you're not able to connect any from your own stones, then your turn passes. Okay, let's move on to the end of the game. As you can see, player 2 only has 1 stone left. The round ends when one player has played all of his or her stones. If you win the round, you are the one starting the next round. After the round, the players who have stones left can count the spots on the stones. In this case, 18 points are left for the winner. Player 1 had 3 stones, so 80 points left for player 2. If you play with more players, all the points go to the winner. The first player that will hit 100 or 150 points will win the game. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to view more videos.